Hello everyone. We'll be seeing today the proof of Heron's formula. Okay, so this is what is Heron's formula is. If the sides of the triangle are A, B and C, then the area of triangle is given by S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C whole square root, where S is semi-perimeter, or that is A plus B plus C by 2. Right, it's an elegant proof is there. Let's see the proof of this. So if I have to find area of this given triangle ABC, so first thing I'm doing is I'm drawing a perpendicular on it. This perpendicular is drawn. Let's say this is height is h and this point is d, this is x, and this side remaining side is c minus x is there. Right, so we have got here two triangles are there, that's triangle 1 and triangle 2. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem and see what we are getting. So in triangle, if I'll take CDB, so triangle CDB, the hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, so h square plus c minus x whole square, this is a square. And let's take the second triangle is in triangle ADB, we are getting h square plus x square, this is equals to b square. Right, so now if you will see, basically we have to get the area, and to get the area I need value of h, है ना. So हमारा जो area of triangle होगा, that area of triangle is half of base, that is c, into height h. तो ये height h निकालनी है हमें. So these are basically two equations, two variables are there. So we'll have to eliminate x को eliminate अगर हम करेंगे तो हमारे पास h की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ठीक है, so let's subtract this equation. अगर हम इन equations को बेटा subtract कर रहे हैं, so what I'm getting is c minus x whole square minus x square is a square minus b square. ठीक है, let's open the bracket. So by opening bracket we are getting c square plus x square minus 2cx minus x square is a square minus b square. Wow, so this x square is getting cancelled out, and let's see what value of x we are getting here. So if we'll solve this part, okay, so let's take this on the other side and this full thing on LHS. So I'm getting here c square plus b square minus a square is 2cx, or x is c square plus b square minus a square upon 2c. ठीक है, सो ये जो वैल्यू है बेटा, हम इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में यूज कर सकते हैं. वहां पर यूज करेंगे, वी कैन गेट वैल्यू ऑफ h, एंड फ्रॉम द वैल्यू ऑफ h वी कैन गेट आर एरिया, है ना. ओनली सम अलजेब्रा एंड सम सिंप्लीफिकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 I'm getting h square is b square minus x square. So this I'm getting is b square minus, that is c square plus b square minus a square by 2c whole square, है ना. इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. So what I'm doing is this 2c square, है ना. So this is 2c whole square, this becomes 4c square. So I'm taking this out, so I'm getting 1 upon 4c square, and inside is this is 2cb square and minus c square plus b square minus a square cos square. Right, so here I'm applying identity of a square minus b square. Okay, so nothing much is left here now, only algebra is left. In that algebra I am just trying to find the value of h in more simplified way, you know. So our final answer should become little more elegant. So h square is 1 upon 4c square, and this, if you will open it up, a square minus b square is a minus b, that is 2cb minus c square minus b square plus a square, that is a minus b, and a plus b. So this is 2cb plus c square plus b square plus a square. This thing is not plus but minus a square. So if I'll see here, so this is b square, c square, and 2bc, So this gives me a formula for b plus c whole square minus a square. Next one, let's see here. So this I am getting is a square is here. So that becomes a square minus, and these three, if you will see, so these are your b square, c square, and 2bc. So this is a square minus b minus c whole square, and this is 1 upon 4c square is there as it is. This is h square is there. So let's see here again. H square is 1 upon, or this 4c square, let's take this on the other side. So what I'm getting here is, this is 4 times of c square h square. This is equals to, so this is again I'm applying the same identity, that is a square minus b square, है ना, x square minus y square. So आप identity लगाएंगे, this is a minus b and a plus x plus y, So now let's apply the identity in the other one. So इसमें हम identity लगाएंगे बेटा. So what I'm getting is b plus c minus a and b plus c plus a. अब यहाँ पर जो है, now comes the role of semi perimeter, So semi perimeter में, if you see, we have got s is a plus b plus c by 2. So we are getting a plus b plus c is 2s, or a plus b. If I subtract 2c from both sides, so minus c is 2s minus 2c, or a plus c minus b, this is 2s minus 2b, so this is, if I'll subtract 2a from both sides, so b plus c minus a, this is 2s minus 2a. Let's replace this value in our equation. ठीक है, आप इसको एक बार पॉज करके चेक करें, है ना, खुद पेपर पे यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. So if I'll put this here, so I'm getting 4c square h square is, the first one is minus b, so this value, this value is equals to this one, so I'm replacing it with 2s minus 2b. So this is 2s minus 2b, this is 2s minus 2c, this is 2s minus 2a, and this one is 2s itself. So if I'll take 2 common from everyone, so I am getting 16 times of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, right? Let's take square root on both sides and 16 on the other side. अगर मैं 16 को दूसरी साइड ले जाता हूँ बेटा, and I'm making square root on both sides, so half of c into h is square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. And if you will check out, c is your base, है ना, c is your base and h is your height. जो आपने h assume की थी, that is your height is there. So half of base into height, this is area of triangle ABC. ठीक है? So just a proof, not in our syllabus of class 9, but still you should be aware of how the derivation is being taken. Okay, thank you.